Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today I bring you another super beautiful and very simple winter set, my snow flower set, and all you need for this set is a blue gel polish. I used the one from my Rosalind kit. It's called Lake Blue. Here it is. A bit of gel paint, some chrome powder. Here on the outside you can see the color shift. And all I'm doing is I come in on all the three nail tips with one simple layer of the blue gel polish, and I love again how easy it applies and how it's leveling out. See? One layer will be more than enough. Opaque, flush, clean, leveled, perfect. Pop that into my lamp for 60 seconds, and once that is cured, I come in with some top coat. And I'm applying an even layer. And as we are working with chrome powder today, guys, it's very important that when using chrome powder, you make sure you apply an even layer of top coat. You must be careful not to have any gaps or any holes in the top coat layer, or it will show terribly with the chrome powder. So I have an example for you and I've included it into this video. So first nail, perfect. I hold it upside down and pop it into the lamp, but then here on the second nail, see that on the side in the tip, I did not apply it very well, and if I would cure that in my lamp, it would show so much once you try it, chrome the nail. So I'm coming in with a bit more top coat and even that out. It's gaps like this when using chrome powder that show so much, so take your time. Get fluff out of the top coat layer, like I'm doing here. Yeah, this is nice. Hold it upside down, pop it into your lamp. So once all of my three nails are out of the lamp, I come in with my chrome powder and this, eye shade applicator is quite worn out, but it will do the job. And then I'm coming in and chrome, and it's just adding an extra sense of iciness to the nail. I show you in a moment. So I'm chroming the tip, and in the nail bed area I do not have any chrome yet. Can you see the difference on camera? I think you can. It's just a little bit extra of bling and color shift. So I'm chroming the rest of the nail. And once all the nail is chromed, I come in with another layer of top coat. No, here, I show you the difference. So here, left side is the normal blue gel polish and right side is the blue with the chrome powder. And yeah, I think the right one is definitely the nail to go. And I'm repeating exactly the same step on the other two nails as well. So here, two nails chromed and the one in the middle is still normal, and yeah, I think you can see a clear difference. Now I'm coming in with the top coat and I'm kind of sealing the chrome powder in. So I top coat over the chrome powder and then pop the nails into my lamp for 60 seconds again. And once that has cured, I take out the gel paint and my dotting tool, and I just come in on the nail tip with 4 dots and then with one of my nail art brushes, I will drag the dots out into my first snowflower. So I'm dragging each dot out into like a rounded triangle shape. Yeah, let's say rounded triangle. And I'm alternating again between the snowflowers and some leaves. And the idea is to create an abstract French tip. So I'm placing the flowers and the leaves in the nail tip area and then around the side walls to create, yeah, a natural French tip. And of course now I'm speeding up the process a bit, but in real time I can tell you guys I'm taking my time and I'm trying to level out the flower petals and go as slow as I have to with everything. So here I'm creating the first leaf, another dot with the dotting tool, and then I'm dragging that into a leaf shape. And another flower. And while I go around the nail tip and the sides of the nail, I keep in mind that I want to create this French nail tip design just with flowers and leaves. So keep that in mind and then follow the picture that you have in your mind and it will turn out beautiful, I promise you. And I can already tell you that each nail, of course, turned out a little bit different because I was alternating between different sizes of the flowers and the leaves, and in the end I add in some of the dots just to even out the nail tip shape. So each nail will be a bit different and I think that is super beautiful. So once I'm happy with the basic design, I take out one of my very fine glitter dusts and then I'm coming in with the cuticle pusher and I drizzle the loose glitter over the uncured gel paint. Then I just tap off the excess glitter. And that goes into my nail lamp for 60 seconds. And of course I repeat the steps that I just showed you on all of the nails, so I super sped this up, guys. I'm just showing you glimpses of the other nails to give you an idea of what I was doing. And then in the end, once I'm happy with my nail tip, I always drizzle the fine glitter into the gel paint, then I cure, and then we will see how I proceed. So once I take the nails out of the lamp, I come in with a nail brush, brush off the excess glitter, and here you see the sugared flower petals. I'm moving the nail a lot, but I think you get the idea. Brush off all the fine glitter dust. And then to even out the smile line, I'm placing little dots in between the leaves and the flowers. You know me, little dots, especially grouped in 3, make everything better. And so it is with this nail. I'm evening out the smile line and the entire design comes together. I left a bit of real time in here, guys, so you can really see how I take my time to look for places to put in the dots. And here we are. I left the dots like they were, cured them. And this is the finished look, you guys. What do you think? Sugared, icy flower leaves and then the dots in between. Oh, I love it. Do you love it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Please like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next one.